So I'm here at Whole Foods in Paramus, New Jersey, and it looks like the renovation, which has been going on for many months, is complete. One of the big changes is all the room they've made for the Amazon Prime food delivery. As you can see, this entire section is devoted now to the Amazon Prime food delivery. Sometimes the Amazon Prime food pickers outnumber the customers in the store. Although the physical size of the store wasn't expanded, they used a lot of light paint. I guess this is white or gray. So the store actually looks bigger. On this wall over here, fruit, juices, the produce section. The light paint gives a sense of a larger space. There's salads, juices, dressings, cheese. Here's the relocated and expanded cheese section. Used to be over in that part of the store. I'm not sure how much reduced fat cheese they have here. It's always one of the weak points. I heard a startling statistic from a heart doctor that the largest number of morbid obesity cases occur in Wisconsin, which, as you know, is known for its cheese. And I think one reason is you can't buy, it's hard to find any reduced fat cheese. I buy the reduced fat Swiss at Costco, but so now a lot of the wines have been moved over here near the seafood counter. And they have refrigerated cases and more shelves over there where lots of the wines are displayed. It's always been one of the great seafood counters in New Jersey, in northern New Jersey, and it still is. It doesn't look any bigger than it was before. All our seafood is responsibly farmed or wild caught. Here's the butcher section again with this white paint theme. It doesn't look any bigger than it was before, but picking up some bone-in pork loin chops for the meat eaters in the family. This was the last part of the renovation to be completed. It's a wall of refrigerated cases. Looks like it's filled with eggs and dairy. There's more dairy over there in the bakery department. Goat milk, almond milk, flax milk, cow milk, lactose-free milk. There's kefir, is it? Cultured whole milk. Maybe it's pronounced kefir. So this Lifeway kefir is $3.79 on sale, and the 365 kefir is $3.79 is the normal price, so 20 cents cheaper than the sale price. 32 ounces. Here's some more new shelving. All these shelves are where the wine department was originally. We moved a lot of stuff around, the fruits, nuts, and seeds, the bulk foods over here. Cereals. Chips. As you can see, the Amazon Prime food pickers outnumber the customers usually. So if you're an Amazon Prime member, you get free delivery for a minimum order of $35, plus a suggested tip. The benefit of having all these Amazon Prime food pickers is that they know where everything is now that everything's been moved around. So we're just trying to locate the 365 Whole Foods brand tahini. So this is the area where the Whole Foods had their incredible buffets and soups, but it's been closed down during the pandemic, going on almost a year now. There's the prepared food, the pizza section, and some other concessions. It's the expanded coffee bar, much larger than before. Still plenty of shortages here. Back to the produce section, I need to pick up a few things. So that's the new expanded Whole Foods market in Paramus, New Jersey. An example of only seem to be 5-pound bags of carrots, organic carrots. They usually come, they also come in 3-pound and 1-pound bags, but there are none of those available. And there are loose carrots. Okay, so that's it. I got to pick up some pears and a few other things. Enjoy.